Dito, nandito po kami sa Senate ngayon. Kakaroon na ng putukan.
I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please come down. Please let us know what's happening here. I will repeat all.
Nandito kami, nagtatago kami. Dahil nagkakaroon na ng putukan. Dili lang. Nandiyan si Senate President Allen Cayetano. Nandito yung mga ibang senador. Hindi namin alam kung bakit nagkakaroon ng putukan. Nagkakaroon lang kami ng caucus dito. At nakarinig kami ng mga malalakas na putok. Putok ng baril. Na-receive na namin yung articles of impeachment kanina lang. Kaya nagko-caucus kami dahil we're supposed to convene as an impeachment court by next week. Tapos bigla nagkaroon ng putukan. Nandito na si Senator Robin. Senator Bongo, Senator Mark, Senator Camille. Ayan na, pinatay yung ilaw muna namin para hindi kami makita. Lahat dito pensyonado. Hindi namin alam kung bakit ganito pangyayari dito. Parang hindi na ginagalang yung Senado bilang institusyon.
Sana pala ni-network yung conversation with Melvin.
Kayong dalawa kasi kayong mag-usap. Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Piaga finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, huwag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotions.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin and we're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi niya dadating na. So, again, no, kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, yung mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols. Yeah. That's my second one.
Yan ang statement ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Pinatay lang yung mga ilaw namin para usap ni Senator Alan si Secretary John Vic.
Kausap tayo. No, but what happened? Biglang nagkaputukan na dito. So we don't know what's happening. So please, please send people or yung police sa labas, they're coordinating but we don't know also what's happening. Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay. Sa John Vic, para lang alam mo, tinawagan ko si Melvin kasi kaibigan ko yan. Tapos sabi ko, Melvin, may nagpuputukan dito, allegedly, NBI. Kausap ko si John Vic, hindi naman daw mga polis. Eh, syempre, hindi naman yung OSA. Hindi naman Marines. Sino? Tapos, sabi niya, hindi kami. Sabi niya, hindi kami. Pero, John Vic, sabi ng OSA namin sa labas. Sino? Trying to get Bato?
Where's Bato?
Where's Bato? Lakas ang boses namin kasi puputukan. Kami ni Pia dito. Nakasiksik kami sa isang malitang kwarto kasi pumunta lang ito. Sigaw siya na sigaw. Sigaw na sigaw. Yung director yun. Ito stand up for us. Yeah. All of us here. All of us. It's not just all the senators are here.
Halos lahat ng mga senador nandito ngayon. Nagulat sa mga pangyayari.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi ni Secretary? Okay, kung sasabi nila, just trust you and be with us. Okay. Thank you, Secretary. Thank you. Why are you on this way with that? Is this an operation?
Guys, it doesn't have to be all of us. I'm not leaving it out.
Me neither.
I think John Vic is here.
Yeah, this is
So if
we
he's
also
here to secure us,
Yeah.
I'm not leaving it out. And I'm not surrendering it.
Yes, he also. He also. And only John Vic, wala siyang mga pulis. I mean, but sabi niya na, how can it be us when the NCRPO are there to protect?
I agree.
I believe John Vic. So is the military. No.
And so we confirmed
Yan.
with Alan and Alan
Dito,
said
nandito si Senator Amy at sobrang
Tumatawag ako sa maraming mga opisyal ng DND, ng PSP. Dinidedma kami eh. Andito kami para kaming mga nagtatago ditong hostage at hindi kami makalabas habang nagpuputuhan. At amoy usok na rin eh. Kaya ewan, Jinggoy, ano ba itong nangyayari?
hindi ko alam.
Eto ba yung copycat martial law? Eto na ba ito?
and if I find out, I will tell you.
Para kami mga daga dito, gumagapang sa dilim, hindi man lang masindi yung ilaw.
Do we know? Alam namin NBI. That's
Hello? Wala na akong tao dyan eh. Wala
Well, naghihintay pa rin kami. Yan, kung anong mangyayari.
what's going on. Then he was so arrogant. He was
Kung paano masisecure lahat yung mga tao nasa loob ng building ng Senado.
you have to do something. You have to
So,
keep us safe.
alam
And
ni
you're not.
Robin yan na
And then
pwede
sinigawan
naman
niya pa ako. Sabi niya,
na
oo, sinigawan. Sabi niya, kami na pinakaputukan.
Tapos sabi na lang
The emotions are very, very high here.
President para makakoordinate kami. Sabihin mo lang naman ako siya sigawan. That's all he could say.
Okay. Sasalita si Senate President.
For them, please allow them in. Dadating po si Sec. Remulla ng DILG with one of the PNP. It is not them attacking us. Allow them in. Isa secure daw ang building at tayo. But I just want everyone to know, ito pong grupo na nandito, we're not going to leave each other. We're not going to leave Senator Bato. May agreement na. We're still looking at the Supreme Court decision, but his legal remedies have not been exhausted. Sabi ng Supreme Court, binibigyan ng 3 days to comment. So we are relying on the law, relying on the Constitution, we are relying on the word of the NBI na hindi papasukin ang Senate na walang coordination. But again, nagkaputukan na po dito. We cannot let this pass. So, Osaa, I'm trying to call you. Papasukin niyo po si Secretary Remulla. He's here to help.
Okay, yan ang tinig ni SP Alan. Okay.
After we called Melvin, tumigil lang.
For now. Hello, Maddie. Maddie. No, we're not okay. There's putukan in the room next door to us, and we're all hold in the SP's room, and we have to turn the lights off and crawl around with rats because there's putukan and it smells of smoke. Nobody's coming to our aid, and DILG and DND.
Marami nang...
I called Tatay, but it's the end of the universe. So nobody's replying.
Oh, dilim na.
Oh, I don't know.
So, dumilim.
He doesn't know though. He doesn't know. But he has 1,000.
Pwede na ba tayo lumabas?
It could be General Labirin, but I don't know
Pwede
what the
lumabas
hell
dyan?
it is. And we're not letting anyone go in because we don't know who's ours and who's not ours. Yeah, call for help and say that the senators are under siege. Malacanang maybe? Or maybe this is their ploy to declare martial law. I have no idea. Or they just really want to get Bato.
And tinig ni Senator Amy Marcos. Kausap,
Yeah.
hindi ko alam kung sino yung kausap.
Yeah, they're totally compromised. Why don't you call the power? You call, I don't know, Uncle Bong? You tell them that this is not a good idea. It came from the Senate. Yeah, it's crossed my mind too, but it might be his order, so fuck it. I don't know. What do you think?
Oh, wala na po
You
ang
guys
baterya
try
pang
for the
sipi
heck
ko.
of it. You say all the senators are waiting here, and is this really what you want? Not really.
Ay,
Not
nako.
really. We have very few, our security in the Senate are very few, and they don't have any long
Huh?
Dadaan po kayo, sir? And the in the right.
Ito, sir.
Hard to call it.
Naka-live pa ako eh.
Nakalive. Yes,
Oo.
yan, sir. Ilawin ka.
So, dun sa naghahanap kay Senator Marcoleta, nandito Senator Marcoleta. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Wait. Wait po that. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
Dalawa lang.
Dalawang taon siguro. Tapos. Pero walang tactical. Ako susunod ko sa akin. Pag dumating ako.
Malamang mista pa rin yung mga security.
Tapos sa positive ko. Tapos sa positive.
Sorry, Sen. Sorry, Sen.
Sinusugod kami NBI dito. Kaputukan nito.
NBI pa lang sumugod.
Sila nandun sa
Oh, parating daw 10 minutes. Bigyan nila ng space.
Diyan na rin na.
Pero clear na daw, clear na. So, that's what it was.
Clear na sa CCTV na.
Pwede na lumabas?
I-secured lang daw yung CCTV.
General, I just want to know, sino na to? Nasa loob sila ng building.
Nasa lens po kasi, nasa malapit na sa ano natin eh. Sa exit natin.
Nakuha ng CCTV. Yun ang una.
Baka may makuha po tayo ng mga recovery.
Itago niyo yung CCTV.
Wala namang magbalik, magkatutukan mo kung hindi sila dumating.
Exactly. Sino na sila? Saan?
Kami po, na, kaya na,
At saka Marines.
usama Marines po.
Ang
Saka PNP.
NCR, ang PNP na sa loob na sa labas.
Pinapasok po kami kasi based on the reports at saka nakita namin sa CCTV, papasok na po sila sa mga ano
Sino
natin.
sila?
Mga NBI po.
NBI agents.
We have confirmed na nakita ko namin NBI best.
NBI.
At saka sinabi na,
Anong
sino kayo? NBI.
Yung main
Tapos sabay
entrance.
putok.
Yung main entrance.
Dito po sa, hindi naman sila sa main, dito sa lens ko natin. Tapos nagpapatok, so, siyempre pumatok din kami.
Sa area o ano?
Hindi ko alam po kung saan sila.
Ang atin, o sa police at marines.
Sa po, tama po.
At nagpapaputok sila sa area o sa tao?
Hindi ko po masiguro ma'am, but to make sure that kami.
Yeah, of course.
Baril yun.
Ako po, nagpapatok din ako kasi ako yung nasa unahan to check sana.
Okay. Grabe itong gina. Ayon sa aming chief ng Sergeant at Arms, ang NBI daw nung Senado, ang NBI daw ang unang mga elemento ng NBI ang unang nagpaputok dito sa gusali ng Senado.
They fired upon us. The Senate, the NBI fired, and the Sergeant at Arms already reported na may mga illegal users were pumasok. They were the ones who fired shots kanina. So, yung Posaan, yung Senate security, nag-fire back sila. So, na-report sa akin at this time.
So, ayon sa Sergeant at Arms namin, medyo clear na yung sitwasyon dito sa Senado. Wow. Ano, we have to condemn this dastardly act by the elements of these government agencies concerned. This calls for an investigation, a full-blown investigation. Dahil unang-una, masyado na nilang binastos ang institusyon ng Senado. Pangalawa, wala namang nagpaputok sa hanay ng Sergeant at Arms ng Senado. Ang nag-umpisa, ayon din sa aming Sergeant at Arms, ang mga elemento daw ng NBI ang unang nagpaputok.
Continue please.
Yes. And maybe, I have an open mind, especially with Bato and Ablasa and how we will handle this, and we let the PNP money speak. I doubt they can mastermind something like this. But anyway, keep an open mind. I agree, because I'm open mind, di ba? Open mind, para we don't make the wrong mistake. Yes, okay, thank you. He was in talk of 8 of us, and he said photo let him in now he's texting Lauren to say he was there were 8 of you, he said it 3 times. Yes, that is, just please everyone say Puna. Okay. Sama naman nun ah. Sama naman nun ah. Kung tutukan mo may alam sila.
Meron pala sila They didn't tell us.
This is,
He told Atty. Mavic to also leave. Yeah, but they didn't even tell us. Grabe naman si
I just want you to know kasi,
Okay. Siguro mag-update lang ako sa inyo mamaya kung meron pa rin mangyayari. Pero kami nandito pa rin kami sa Senado.
and I told them, baka there's nothing out
Okay. Pagdasal nyo na lang kami rito.
I might forget it. Kung ano, but even si Mavic, asawa ni George, even si Mavic, she was, Woman George, she was being told to leave.
Kaya pala, they were told to do. Para tayo mga